Hello, welcome to the Kuvings Healthy Kitchen. My name's Gary Dowse and today I've got a breakfast juice for you. This one I like to call Autumn Sun. Today I'll be using the Kuvings EVO 820 model. And the thing I like about the EVO is this flip top lid. What that means is I can place a whole piece of fruit directly into the machine and it will just go straight through the chute. So with your oranges, you just want to top and tail the fruit, and then with your knife just very thinly slice off the orange. You want to keep as much of the white pith as you can. The white pith has lots of nutrients. It's actually 10 times more vitamin C than the flesh itself. Now normally when we juice oranges, we just juice this way, but and we miss out and we're only juicing the flesh. So when you keep the white on in the cold press juicer, we're going to get all of that white flesh going through the machine. With your pears, you just want to take the hard wooden stem off. Now this pear is too big to fit through the wide chute, so we just want to cut that into quarters. So with the beautiful passion fruit, you just want to cut it in half and then scoop out all that orange flesh. Seeds and all, everything can go through the juicer, and if you get a little bit of the white pulp, that's still good too. So you might not think that you can juice passion fruits, but they have quite a lot of juice, and even the seeds can be going through the juicer really easy. Making this juice, I like to start by putting the passion fruit in first. It'll add a lot more of the passion fruit flavor, because then the rest of the ingredients, when they go through the machine, they'll pick up all that passion fruit flavor. And we can just scoop those seeds straight into the top of the machine. Now we're going to follow that with the oranges. Just place them in whole. So with the pears, you want to make sure they're nice and firm. If they get too soft, they'll take a little bit longer time to go through the machine. We can just pop them in half at a time and really let the machine eat and chew up the pears. We'll just finish with the apple. So let's have a look at the pulp that's coming out here, guys. It's incredibly dry. There's no juice left in it at all. I can squeeze it. Every last drop has been taken out of the machine juice. So I've called this recipe Autumn Sun because in the autumn is when the pears, the oranges, the apples, the passion fruits come into season. So this juice is a really great recipe for the autumn months. And the smell and the taste of this juice is amazing.